Module 1, Section 6, Objective 1, and that is writing repeated multiplication in condensed form as a single operation. That'll make more sense when you see it. This page is showing the difference between repeated addition versus repeated multiplication. Okay, so if Mario says, I will give you 3 gold coins on the first day, then every day after that I will pay you 3 times as much as I paid you the day before. That's going to go here in Mario's daily deal. Okay, Tony's daily deal is, I will give you 3 coins on the first day, and every day after that I will pay you 3 more coins than I paid you the day before. Okay, can you see the difference there? We have 3 times as many versus 3 more. Okay, so since we've done add already, let's do the add portion, the 3 more every day. Okay, so 3 coins on the first day, and then 3 more means we're just going to add 3 to that, right? And we would get 6 on the second day. Then we're going to add 3 to the new number, which will give you 9 on the next day. Then add 3, and we get 12. And then add 3, and we get 15. Okay, and I'll do the total earnings here in just a minute. Mario's deal now. 3 gold coins on the first day, and this time we're going to times by 3 on the second day. So we get 9 times by 3, and we get 27 on the next day. Times by 3 again, and we get 81. Times by 3 again, and we get 243. Okay, you can see there's actually a huge difference between those, isn't there? Okay, I did the total quickly, and I hope I got them both right, but the idea is that the purple one is a lot higher in just 5 days than the pink one, right? So multiplying repeatedly gets your numbers higher faster than adding repeatedly. Okay, now let's see what good that does us. Okay, these are called exponents. So exponents represent repeated multiply. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do it again down here at the bottom and explain what they have written up at the top. So at the bottom, this big 3 we have on the bottom is called the base. The little number up at the top is called the exponent. Okay, one interesting thing is when you're entering it into Canvas homework or onto calculators or anything digital, you can write it like that. This little symbol is called a caret, and it means raised to the power of, and then the number following it. So this is 3 to the power of 5. Okay, so basically 3 raised to the 5th, 3 to the 5th power. That's what this means. Okay? All right, so what does it really mean? The little 5 up here at the top tells you how many 3's are going to be multiplied together down here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3's multiplied together. Okay, and you can go ahead and type it in a calculator to get the actual answer, or not in this unit because you have to actually figure it out. So let's do that. We're going to do 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9, and then this 3 we're just going to bring down because we haven't used it. Okay, so then 9 times 9 is 81, and bring the 3 down again. And now 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 8 is 24. So it's 243. Okay? So important stuff. This tells you, the exponent tells you how many bases you multiply together. Okay? It's multiply, not add. Okay, so in general, if x is a number and n is a whole number, this tells you how the formula type thing works for exponents. So if this is an n, you have n x's. X could be a 2, so this would be 2 to the 4th, which means it would be 4 2's in here. Okay, if you don't understand that box, that's absolutely fine. Okay, that's just a generic version of writing what we did on the last page. Okay, now on this page, I'm going to erase their answers so that we can do it again. Okay, we are supposed to write repeated multiplication in condensed form as a single operation. What that means, basically, is write them in an exponential form without multiplying. Okay, so you need to determine the base and the exponent on each one, and that's it. Okay, so the base is the number that we're multiplying together. So 12, right? So 12 is our base. And how many 12s do we have? 1, 2, 3. So it's 12 to the 3rd power. That's your answer. You don't need to do any more. Okay, with that in mind, B, 400 is our base, because that's the number we are multiplying together. And since there are 4 of them, it's 400 to the 4th power. Okay. C, we have 2 different numbers. So you're going to have 2 different bases with 2 different exponents. Okay, so here we have 5 2's. So we're going to go 2 to the 5th. And here we have 4 3's. So it's 3 to the 4th. And you're multiplying those together. That's your answer. Okay, we're writing them in exponential form only and not multiplying. Okay, over on the other side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 5's. So it's 5 to the 12th power. Now remember, it has to be multiplied. It can't be anything other than that. Okay, E, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 27's multiplied together. So it's 27 to the 5th. And now F has 2 different bases, so we need 2 different parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 3's. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 7's. And those are being multiplied together. And you're done.